Hello guys, hope you're all doing good. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how you can download and install Firefox browser on your laptop or computer. First of all, open any of the browser you like. I have opened Chrome browser and search bar. Just simply type download Firefox. Press for search. You can see here the official one website on the top. Click here, you can see the features here. There is a download button. Let's check the features. Pick up where you left off. Firefox views list. Sorry. Firefox view lets you see your tabs open on other devices and recent history. That's pretty good feature. Edit your PDF directly. Browse knowing you're protected. It's very protected browser. Just simply to download this, you have to click on this download Firefox. Just click and file will start downloading. Let's wait. Yes, you can see here file is downloading. After download, click on the open button. It will ask for permission. Allow the permission and install. It's installing here. Optimizing your settings for speed, privacy, and safety. Just waiting until it's downloading. After downloading, it's installed and is open. I have already installed that. That's why my new bookmarks is showing here. It's a pretty good in use. I'm using on a regular basis. Here in you have a lot of details. You can add extensions or more settings and tools. They have theme, dark, light, automatic. The dark theme is pretty good. It's a very speedy browser. It has very fast browsing speed. You can see that. You can download and install this browser by this simple way. Hope you friends like this video. For more videos, please subscribe this channel, like the video and give a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.